Hi everybody, it's Julie and I'm back with another installment of the Spring Blossom series, and I have added a couple more things to the kit. I have two of these vintage Monet playing cards. So you'll get one of the yellow and one of the blue. They're called Lilies, is all that I could find on them. And you will be getting a vintage pink envelope. I've already sealed this one and folded it in half. It does have the open window here. We are going to work on half of this this pocket today, and but I wanted to show you a couple things that you can do with a playing card in your journal. So one of the things is to take and to attach it as a side tuck. I'm going to go ahead and put mine here because I want to kind of cover that up. I'm going to make my line come all the way, my sewing. I'm going to sew it on. With playing cards, you really want to either sew or staple. Unless you have found a glue, and you know, it's like this is going in something that is going to be moved around, and I would hate for it to fall out on somebody. So I am actually doing a zigzag stitch on my sewing machine down the playing card and across the playing card. Okay, and I'm going to come all the way out to the side because I am going to turn this side into a pocket, either the side or the top, and I want it to be able to so I don't know yet whether it's going to be the side or the top that is going to get cut, but I am going to I'm going to take my strings off. So these page flags, that is another thing that has been added. You'll get 3 blue and 3 yellow page flags as well. So now we have a little tuck here, and yeah, and I think that'll be kind of fun. If I want to add something else, I can go ahead and sew it on here, or I can glue it onto the paper and have it go onto here. So that's something I may add when I'm adding the embellishments. But I'm making a junk journal. That's one of the projects. So another thing that you will get in your kit is a couple pieces of this yellow ledger paper, and I thought I would just go ahead and add some yellow ledger paper to this card. Okay, so again, I'm going to stitch it because of the because you gotta do something like that because it's a card. And oh my gosh, I also, for this kit, there is a Monet note paper that has a bridge. And then I have a couple of other Monet things. So later on, there will be a small Monet kit, which has been something I have been thinking about for a long time because I already had an awesome Monet book. That I think would be really fun. So we're just going to go ahead. Now, the one other thing I'm going to do is I'm going to attach, you're going to be getting some of this pink gingham ribbon in the kit. And so I'm just going to attach a piece to the top of the card for it to be the tab that you would be able, if this card was in a pocket, it would be the tab that you would pull out. So I'm going to put the ends on the paper side. So yeah, I think I just ran out of bobbin, but that's okay. We're almost to, yep, to the edge. So go ahead and cut the strings. I should have at least let the holes go all the way across. Okay. So then I'm just going to go ahead and cut around this. And this gives another journaling aspect to our junk journal, our Spring Blossom junk journal. And there we go. So, and then I can go ahead and I can add something and pull it over. So it'll be glued on the paper side. Oh, got strings. Okay. So we've got this little notch up here that I just undid. Oh, because it didn't go on. Okay, so you know what we'll do? We'll staple it. When your sewing machine gives you trouble, you switch tools. So there we go. So we have this little tab there on the top, and we've used a couple more of the items from our kit. So we know we have this envelope that will be going into the book. It will have this little pocket here. It will either have a pocket up here or on the side. And then this also will be a journaling card that can go somewhere into the book. So I'm just making items right now, and so that I have them and they'll be ready to go in and have their place throughout the journal. So I hope you also saw the envelopes. We made one from the Spring Blossom paper, and this one has a Rolodex inside. And then we made one from the origami paper, and it has this little notebook inside that we will be decorating as we come along some scraps. So stay tuned. Hopefully, okay, this video will be going up Tuesday. Hopefully tomorrow I will get to reveal the digital kit that will be going along with this awesome Spring Blossom kit in the pink and the blue. And oh, it's coming together so nicely. I cannot wait, and I'm loving this. So, and some of these embellishments will also be given away in drawings. So make sure that you're in random drawings. So you'll want to be commenting and sharing. And if you like my videos, I would love for you to subscribe. Do know that I do a variety of crafty videos, not just all junk journal, not just all happy mail. My scrapbook series will start in February. I'm going to do a throwback Thursday, and that is because I need to get my pictures into some books that will also include Project Life. So if those are the things you love to do, I want to hear about it. Also, make sure that you're a member of the group Scrap All About It. I'm still doing December daily in January in the Scrap All About It book. We're Scrap All About It. And I can show you a little sneak peek. This is my December daily. I chose this chunky little book, and I have started, and I'm randomly going around and working it. I've got page 1, or day 1, day 2, day 3 is done, and then yeah, so in my Scrap All About It book, Scrap All About It group, they are getting the first come, first see what's going in here. It's exclusive in there until I'm finished. And so, yeah, so check that out. Scrap All About It. And find something to celebrate every day. And don't forget to subscribe. Have an amazing day. Bye.